Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will play with this kitchen tool, kind of a strainer for pasta. I don't know the word, how you call it. And I have my split cup, and today, cat's hair. Today I have 5 chambers, and here I will add Pebeo iridescent copper and black. The middle part, that it's a little bigger, will be iridescent precious, iridescent green blue. And then I have white for here and iridescent precious gold for this chamber. And I will pour over that tool to create some kind of cool effects. Hopefully, I didn't do that for quite some time. That kind of pour. So I have metallic separated with black and white to hopefully create some more dimension to it. So we will see. Okay, so now I will put this hopefully in the middle, and I will go kind of around towards the middle, and I will do rings. So I will start on the outside. Not sure how this is looking, so I will stretch it out. Ah. I think that this middle part, it's kind of muddy, and I don't see a lot of that turquoise, and it was in the middle, so you know. But I will stretch it out before I will decide. You know what, I will do a little more. I will just straight pour it. this much more. I will grab a corner catcher. This is just crazy but beautiful. I love this transparency and the really cool lines here and there. Just love it. Yeah, I really do. Not everyone's cup of tea, but I love it. Yeah. Nice. Simple, but nice. I just need a little correction here with this part. Just some weird looking part. Don't want to be there. Okay, now it's okay. but I don't know. Let's try to spin this a little bit to that side. I did get rid of that bikini corner there. I really didn't like. So yeah. I just want to stretch a little bit of this blue. Okay, now I will leave it like it is. So here she is dry, and I know that it's simple, but I love it. I love those little details and this blue-green. Here you see where it hits black, it's more blue. Here is more turquoise where it hits white, so just beautiful for my taste. So yeah, I like this painting, and I'm glad that I did in the way that I did, and I really want to do one more and do it from the beginning, just pouring over and not having that gadget on the canvas, you know, because it creates really cool transparency and lines, and all together it's nice painting, I believe so. I love it. It's simple, but simple can be beautiful too. So yeah, thanks for being here. Check the description for my first exhibition in United States, in New Hope, Pennsylvania. If you want to come and chat with me, maybe this is the opportunity. So check the description box for more details. Thanks for being here. Bye.